Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. Today I'll be talking about City Union Bank's quarter one results, and City Union Bank has posted a quite impressive quarter one results. If I look at quarter on quarter basis, last quarter, which was one of the toughest quarters for all banks, City Union Bank posted a loss of 95 crores, but this quarter it has overturned this loss and has come out as a winner with a net profit of 154 crores, and this is a really impressive move. This is mainly because of the decrease in provisions. Their provisions have decreased from 450 crores in the last quarter to 157 crores in this quarter one of financial year 2021. If I talk about the result on in a broad view, I look at the interest earned. Interest earned is almost flat. Interest earned is basically the interest they have earned from the loans they have given out to borrowers, and this is their primary source of income. If I look at interest expended is basically the interest they give to depositors who have saved their money in their bank. So they are giving out lesser interest to depositors who have money saved in their bank, whereas the interest they have earned on their loan book is higher. So we can see the impact of this difference on their net interest income, which has increased by about 4% from 420 crores to 436 crores, and thus a good net profit. If I look at capital adequacy ratio, it has increased by 1 basis point. Net NPAs are seem to be under control. They have decreased by about 18 basis point, and I would say they would be completely under control when their net NPS can match the big banks such as Kotak Mahindra and HDFC Bank, and for them they need to have net NPS of lesser than 1.8 to 2%. So we need to wait for that day to truly see where City Union Bank can reach. Now, if I look at year on year results should show you the growth of the bank, and year on year results aren't quite great for City Union Bank. Well, it is mainly because of the coronavirus pandemic, and it is quite understood by the investors in this bank. If I look at the interest earned, I would say the interest earned has increased by about 2%. That means it shows that the loan book is growing. Interest expended has increased by about 0.01% or 1 basis point. If I look at net interest income, on a 1 year basis, they have shown a good increase in the net interest income of 5% increase. So net interest income is basically the difference between the interest they have earned from the borrowers who are paying interest and interest they have given out to depositors who have saved money in the bank. So basically it is a difference between both the earnings and expenses, and it is a 5% increase, which is a healthy increase. If I look at provisioning is higher compared to last quarter of the last financial year, and mainly it's understood high provisioning is because of high coronavirus. It is also contingencies that are in this provisioning. Net profit has decreased by about 17% from 185 crores to 155 crores this quarter. And this is also understood. If I look at capital adequacy ratio, I would say the management has done a good job in securing the viability of the future, and they have secured a good viability of City Union Bank's future by increasing its capital adequacy ratio by about 1.09%. And let me tell you, it is really hard for banks to increase capital adequacy ratio while maintaining their loan book and while controlling their net NPS. So a good job here by City Union Bank. Net NPS again have increased by 22 basis point, which is understood. It is mainly because of the virus. And if I look at the net NPS in the last financial year, I would say 1.89% is a good amount of net NPS that a bank should have, and this is at par to big banks like I said, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. It is a good NPA ratio, as I would say. It should aim for about 1.8% net NPAs in the coming quarters. Now, talking about City Union Bank, my recommendation for City Union Bank is buy. City Union Bank as of now is trading at 116 rupees, and if I look at its high of about if of about 244 rupees. It is trading at half of its price, and the high wasn't that far. That high of 254 was on 17 January 2020. And if I look at the dividend track record, we have seen a dividend that has been paid on 26th March, and you shouldn't expect any more dividend. Even though this dividend says interim dividend of 50%, don't expect a final dividend because of RBI's orders that banks need to save their cash by not distributing dividends. And hence we won't be seeing City Union Bank distributing its final dividend this financial year. Now, talking about a fire basis, I see it has paid good number of dividends. So once this pandemic is over, I feel City Union Bank would be back to giving healthy dividend, and it has paid bonus 2 times. It has given at least 7 dividends in the past 5 year. I would say about 1.4 dividends each year, and I feel it is a good share for you to acquire considering its high of 244 rupees. If I consider the past value of City Union Bank, I would say it was at 116 rupees about 4 years from now. Around August, it was trading at 113 rupees. So you're getting a 4 year discount on City Union Bank. And looking at the graph of City Union Bank, it has consistently been giving returns. So coming back to City Union Bank, it has a market capitalization of 8,630 crores, a price to book value of 1.63, a dividend yield of 0.43, a good number of deliverables, and I say it is a good share for you to buy, and it is going to give you good returns in the next 3 years. So guys, this is my take on City Union Bank, and my recommendation for you is to buy this share, and this is a really good share if you're looking at a 3 year perspective at least. So I hope you liked my video, and thank you very much.